All right, Mathemaniacs, number 4. Miss Selinsky's gross pay at her last job was $3,195.21. Hopefully that's a monthly amount. How much of her gross pay will be deducted for FICA taxes? Now remember, FICA taxes are made up of the Social Security tax and the Medicare tax. So there's a couple different ways to do this problem. My favorite way is like this. I'm going to take the amount of pay times FICA tax rate, the FICA tax rate, to find the amount of the deduction. Okay, so I know that the pay was $3,195.21. $3,195.21. Now, the FICA tax rate can be found by adding together the Social Security tax rate. Hang on, let me get a different color. The Social Security tax rate and the Medicare tax rate. So I'm going to put that in my calculator. I'm going to add that together. 6.2 plus 1.45, and that equals 7.65%. Now, to change that to a decimal, I'm going to move that decimal 2 places to the left. And so that's going to be 0.0765. That's the FICA rate. That includes both Social Security and Medicare. So I'm going to say times the FICA rate, and that'll equal the amount of the deduction. So I'm going to put that in my calculator, $3,195.21, times 0.0765 equals, and that amount is $244 and about 43 cents. I had to round a little bit there. Now, if you didn't do it that way, you could have done the pay times Social Security rate equals Social Security deduction, and pay times Medicare rate equals Medicare deduction, and then added those two together. To me, it's easier just to multiply once by adding those percentages together early on. Okay, but that's 2 different ways to solve that problem. Hope that helps.